Partridge, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Butler Kahn Law Firm. Let's say one day you and your family are taking a long weekend trip. You live in Gwinnett County, but you're going to go to Florida, go visit the beach for a week. You're driving down 75, you've made it about 2 hours, and all of a sudden you're in Macon. And out of nowhere, somebody violently rear-ends you. You're really injured and you know that you need to speak to an attorney, you need to talk to somebody quickly. But the person who hits you, they don't live here, they don't live in Georgia, they actually live in Michigan. Are you going to have to call a Michigan attorney, try to find somebody that you trust, all the way up in Michigan? Luckily the answer is no, because Georgia has the Non-Resident Motorist Act. And what that act says is that anybody that comes to our state, drives on our roads and our highways, is subject to our laws and our courts. And now that act, they lay out 2 specific places that you can bring your claim. You can bring it where the wreck occurred or where you live. So in our example, you're from Gwinnett. You can bring your claim at home in Gwinnett County. And in our example, that wreck occurred in Macon, in Bibb County. Those are going to be the 2 options that you can bring your lawsuit in. And a Georgia attorney, like the Butler Kahn Law Firm, can help you bring that claim, can help you bring that lawsuit. So if you and your family ever find yourself seriously injured by somebody who doesn't live in Georgia, please call Butler Kahn Law Firm. Again, my name is Brittany Partridge. Thank you for listening.